Alright, this morning I'm going to do, this is going to be my second attempt at trying to make caponata, which is a eggplant appetizer. I was going to start the other day, got a migraine, and I couldn't do a darn thing. So anyway, what I did, let me pop these out real quick. I took a couple of good-sized eggplants. I sprayed them with the olive oil on both sides, popped them in the oven. This is a different take on caponata, by the way. It's not how it's traditionally made, but this is how I want to do it. I want to see how it comes out. Alright, so I sliced a couple of eggplants long ways, sprayed them with the olive oil, threw them in the oven. Now, what I'm going to do is cut up a pepper, pull the seeds out, all this garbage, get rid of all this. Alright, let's cut up cut up pepper. We're gonna cut up and slice up or dice up an onion. Okay. Get rid of that. We're gonna cut up some olives, manzanilla olives, and some celery. Get a couple of celery stalks out here. Alright. Let's get some of the celery. Oh, been in there too long, I think. Okay, let's get rid of that one, and that one. Alright. Chop that off there. And take some celery stalks. Try to get the hearts for a little bit of flavor. Alright. And let's do 3. Alright. I think we're gonna use 2 peppers. I like peppers. I can't eat bell peppers, so I'm using you can't eat bell peppers for whatever reason. I don't know how I got allergic to them, but I did. I use either Cubanelle or Poblano. Poblano sometimes can be spicy hot, so maybe you want to, if you don't like a little bit of spiciness, which caponata does call for hot pepper flakes anyway, but adding the extra heat to it if you don't like it, use a different pepper. Cubanelle, they're really good. Sweet peppers, bell peppers, any pepper you want, actually. Now, just peel your onion. What we're going to do, we're going to prepare all this. We're going to chop all this stuff up very fine. Alright? While the eggplant is cooking, like I said, we're going to need these olives. And the other thing we're going to need are capers. Alright, you want to use some capers. And gotta get a can of crushed tomatoes over there. And then we'll start, after I clean up all this, get the vegetables ready. We'll get all the spices together, and then we'll start part 2.